Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Mozilla Thunderbird not opening in 2026. If Thunderbird won't launch, freezes during startup, or closes immediately, these troubleshooting steps may help. So let's get started. First, make sure Thunderbird is completely closed. Check your Task Manager or System Activity Monitor and end any Thunderbird process that may still be running in the background. Next, restart your computer and try opening Thunderbird again. Sometimes a temporary system issue can prevent an application from starting normally. If the problem continues, try launching Thunderbird in troubleshoot mode. This can help identify whether an extension, theme, or customization is causing the problem. If Thunderbird opens in troubleshoot mode, disable recently installed extensions or themes and restart the application normally. You should also check whether your Thunderbird installation is up to date. An outdated version may contain bugs or compatibility issues. If the application still refuses to open, a damaged profile or installation may be causing the problem. Before making major changes, back up your Thunderbird profile and important email data. You can then consider repairing or reinstalling Thunderbird using the official installer. And that's how to troubleshoot Mozilla Thunderbird when it won't open. Start with simple steps like restarting the application and checking background processes, then move on to troubleshoot mode and a fresh installation if needed. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.